G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, Adam, he just had to double over, double down, bend backwards and expose his soft underbelly yet again, didn't he? Adam, are you hard of thinking? The alternative footage that I pointed you to was from Everyday Astronaut, who is definitely not SpaceX. He's just a YouTuber and he has all the right gear. I am really stumped, Adam, as to why you didn't use Tim's alternate footage. Bear with me, let's check it out.
But as you're going to see in a minute, this is not the footage I'm referring to. We get a cut, and then a very suspicious looking bit of footage, and then we go to the footage I highlighted yesterday, okay?
Oh, so you wanted to be able to say that there was a cut, so that you could claim the descent footage was CGI.
CGI.
Oh yeah, thanks mate. But you didn't even attempt to address what I showed you, Adam. A second independent video. But you know what that means, hey? It was so damning to your cause, wasn't it, Adam? Well, if it wasn't, you would have ripped into it and been laughing at me all the way, just like this. Wheezing at me all the way, just like this. Well, Adam old bean, you clearly are not aware that there was a third shooter on the grassy knoll. Le Padre has excellent, uninterrupted video going from all the way up to the flip, to the belly flop, and all the way down. Now let's hear your excuses, Adam. They will come. We all know that Elon and Mars has you in a panic mode, mate. Well, as for that CGI claim of yours, Adam, have a read as to what this visual effects professional says about it. Very interesting, Adam. He seems to think it's real.
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
Go on.
Then we cut to this shot. Again, quite a suspicious looking shot. Almost CGI looking, but
CGI.
this is not really the shot I'm interested. It's just a cut to come to the footage that I'm going to highlight.
More derp.
And then we come to the infamous clip that I highlighted yesterday. Now they're desperately saying, the SpaceX fanboys, this is being filmed from 10 kilometers below with like one of these SpaceX, NASA telescope cameras. Now the angle we're looking at right now with the fins and stuff would suggest that this is being filmed from below at the moment. And this is the view I'd expect, the angle if it was filmed from one of these telescope cameras, okay? But watch how quickly, within seconds of this thing now dropping from 10K, within seconds it becomes level with the camera that's filming it, and they are now dropping down together, level, opposite each other. Impossible if you're filming that from below, because the camera angle would be like we're looking at. So let's see, within seconds, this thing leveling out with the supposed camera.
Right, this is your last warning. I'll count to 3. 1, 2...
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Right, that's it. Don't say I didn't warn you. I've had it up to here with you. I'm going to give you a damn good thrashing. I'm going to teach you a lesson. Nasty little... Dusty bonnet there. Oh, look!
Okay, so let me get this right, Adam. All I need to demonstrate is that the angle is constantly changing all the way down, right?
If it was filmed from 10K, the angle, we'd be seeing the underbelly, and it'll be at a different angle all the way down. All right, the angle would change as it slowly got down.
That's super easy, barely an inconvenience. Well, let me just show you this montage of images taken about every 20 seconds. This is from the Le Padre footage. Now look at that fin angle, Adam. Oh dear, it's constantly changing.
Of course, the angle would have changed slightly as it came down, but essentially we would have had underbelly of the rocket near enough all the way down.
So have a really close look at it. The angle is changing in these image grabs from the Le Padre video. Now just look at those red lines, Adam. Just look at those front fins, Adam. Just look at how busted you are, Adam. Wow.
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on. But strangely enough, this is what we saw pretty much all the way down, side on, all the way down. Now obviously no crazy cameraman was free falling. I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
Now, I was wondering, how can I work out just how far away Tim was when he took his footage? Here you go, Adam, here's a clue. Any ideas how you're going to do it, mate? Well, look, at 4:10 in yesterday's video was the explodey bit. At 4:18 there was the splatty bit as it came back down again.
Blew up. It just blew up. It just blew up.
And pretty much the same time, 4:19, there was the big bang was heard, and at about 4:27 the splatty sounds were heard. So that's roughly about 9 seconds from seeing the kaboom to hearing it. So how far was the camera away from this earth-shattering kaboom? Well, it's really easy, Adam. The speed of sound at sea level is 330 meters per second, or 1/3 of a kilometre per second, or 1 kilometre per 3 seconds. So divide the delay time by 3 and you get about 3 kilometres away. So Tim is 3 kilometres away and the Starship is 10 kilometres up. What angle is Tim looking at, Adam? Any idea? You might have to get a triangle calculator. So 72 degrees. Now, is there any evidence that Tim was looking up pretty hard?
There we go. There's the kick. There's the kick. And now it's falling. It's going to be falling. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is the belly flop. Here it comes. Oh my gosh, from here it's so much scarier. Holy crap. It looks like it's right on top of us. It's so much easier to see against the white clouds right now than it has been in the past.
Wolf, how about that? So it looks like Tim was looking pretty well straight up. 72 degrees will do that to you.
SpaceX and Elon busted, and all the dummy spitters and SpaceX, angry SpaceX boot boys and Astro Dames who have cried that this is filmed from the ground. Sorry, lads.
Well, look, I think I'm over Adam right about now. And Adam, I'm not in panic mode, I'm just having a barrel of laughs here. Pretty much like my mate, Professor Phil Bell. He was in class today and he was bored, so he got... You know what he did? He popped up a couple of videos for his little kiddies to have a look at, and they had a right old chuckle. And believe you me, Adam, I think you were the star chuckly. Well done, you educated a whole pile of space engineers, mate, on what not to do.